TJ Holmes and Amy Robach, the co-anchors of Good Morning America, have hired attorneys in preparation for a potential lawsuit following their termination due to their on-air affair. According to TMZ, if ABC decides to terminate or remove the anchors from their GMA3 jobs, Robach and Holmes will be represented by renowned Hollywood civil litigator Andrew Brettler and attorney Eric George, respectively. According to sources, ABC hasn't explained to the duo why they were fired off the show over a month ago. According to TMZ, the allegations state that the network chose to fire Holmes and Robach after looking into whether or not the anchors violated their contracts by doing things like exploiting corporate resources, drivers, vehicles, or other personnel to arrange romantic encounters, or to put pressure on staff to keep their connection private. According to TMZ, Robach and Holmes attorneys may consider race while deciding whether to sue ABC. Lawyers will reportedly ask questions like, has ABC ever used the morals or conduct provision to fire or penalize two consenting adults at equal levels when both were white? If the network decides to fire the two, Robach and Holmes aim to seek enormous damages in the future lawsuit if their reputations and careers are harmed as a result of the network's censure. By TMZ, after Shu moved out over the summer, the Gossip Time reported in early December that Robach and Shu were already close to finalizing their divorce. A source told us at the time that they've continuously had troubles over the years, and they ultimately broke up. Perhaps during their brief conversation, Robach, 49, gave Shu, 55, a status update on her troubled job at ABC. As Page 6 reported on Friday, Robach and her former co-anchor are probably out at GMA3 after their secret liaison. Although they haven't been fired yet, a source said, I don't expect TJ to be on again. They do want Amy to remain and participate in activities there, but probably not on GMA3. When it was discovered that Holmes had had additional romances at work with subordinate female colleagues, it appeared that his romance with Robach was the beginning of his downfall. Nevertheless, 45-year-old Holmes thought the network would exonerate him. At the time, a source said, of course, he's taking seriously, but he's certain he's done nothing wrong that would justify him to lose his job. We are informed that the couple has hired lawyers to deal with because termination is imminent. It turns out that while Holmes is working with Eric George, Robach hired renowned civil lawyer Andrew Brettler to represent her.